I need your honest opinion. Do you think someone will buy this car? Do you think someone will actually drive this car? Guys, look at that! Hello guys, I am Mr. Automotive today. Today I'm welcoming you all with a Range Rover here. But as you can already see, it's not a regular one. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the first ever BRABUS Range Rover. And it's now called the 700 since it has got 700 horsepower. But it's not finished in black, it's finished in this color. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the BRABUS 700 Peach. So it's a BRABUS Range Rover finished in full peach exterior and even interior. So in today's video I will be showing you everything about this, inside, outside and the sound, so join me. For me and my German taste, my BRABUS kind of taste, this thing is actually burning down my eyes right now. It doesn't fit in the gray German weather. It's actually really sunny right now. But honestly, I find it quite interesting and quite unique, since BRABUS has actually painted everything in peach. Every single part here has been finished in peach except for the tires. That's it. So join me, let me show you all around. Before we actually start with the walk around, let me tell you about the car. We've got a 4-liter V8. Let me show you. Watch this. It's actually got 600 horsepower, not 700, sorry. It's a BRABUS 600 and it comes with a 4-liter V8. It's actually just modified V8. I think base car is talking about 530 horsepower. This has got 600 horsepower now with the BRABUS modifications, and it also comes with the BRABUS additional engine cover here, which looks quite cool and is not finished in peach. This is the first ever Barbie BRABUS I've seen here. This is quite crazy the way they did it. Looks like candy. It looks sweet, you know, it looks very cute the way they finished it here. The color is quite unique. It's the first time seeing a BRABUS in this color. Is very, very loud just from the appearance. And I kind of like it just because it's different. Also here, the BRABUS finishing, the badgings, all finished in peach. Looks pretty cool, as if you could just take it and eat it. That's how it looks like. You're probably wondering about the price. I have it 430,000 euros. Car's actually for sale still, and if you're interested, just hit them up. They have it. It's actually this car here and you can own it. In the front, every single part, piece, whatever, it's been repainted. Full bonnet, front, everything, front bumper with the additional BRABUS parts here. Complete change, makeover, finish in peach. With the BRABUS additional lettering here, looks so cool with the white details all around. Even the grille here, we have the BRABUS detail here as well. It's quite interesting. Even the front bumper here with the additional BRABUS parts looks quite sporty and finished in peach. Guys, look at the wheels. 24 inches on this monoblock M, the biggest wheel option for this peach Range Rover. And yeah, just look at that. Platinum edition, look pretty cool, but they have also a big range of wheel options also for the Range Rover. We have the BRABUS 600 badge here on the side. Anything has been just repainted, even the door handles. The only thing that's missing here is, I hope Continental will get BRABUS peach colored tires so it can match the car. Even the brake calipers are finished in peach, even though you don't see it. Okay guys, I found it. Finally, I found it. I found something that is not colored in peach. It's the carbon fiber exhaust here. The tip, stainless steel carbon fiber cover, BRABUS details. Finally, yeah, giving a really cool contrast here. We have 4 exhaust tips here, as you can see, and they look quite small. Honestly, they look extremely small for this humongous looking peach car. Guys, that's it for the outside. Before I actually forget it, there's an additional rear spoiler here and the back camera, as we have a camera for the rear view mirror. Everything here is finished in peach. Let me open up the door. Peach in the inside. Oh, what a surprise. I didn't expect that. Okay guys, please, I need your honest opinion. Do you think someone will buy this car? Do you think someone will actually drive this car? Because it's not a US spec. Normally these kind of cars are meant to be driven by soccer moms. In the US, I think for Germany is way too loud. Outside peach, inside peach. Guys, look at that! I mean, yeah, the only thing that's not peach here is the carbon fiber and the display, but we'll work on that. And even the key fob here is finished in this leather peach. Pinky peach. Honestly, my eyes are burning, guys, as I'm sitting right in here. But maybe I'm just a bit too German for that. Just look at the steering wheel. It looks really cool, but I would never drive this. Two-spoke wheel looks so fancy. And then we have this color. The frame here, they forgot to paint it probably. We have the Brabus emblem here in the center. Carbon fiber all around. Yeah, it looks quite interesting. The best thing that they haven't added the leather here peach on the top, because it would then reflect. So they kept it in black, totally fine. Full leather inside, carbon fiber all around. As always, anything is finished in peach. What a surprise. As you can see, even underneath the floor mats, we have the flooring in leather. I think this is an extended wheelbase version of the Range Rover. That's why we have quite a lot of space in the back here. The color is still burning my eyes, and it's not even that dark. No, the way the camera is capturing it is not, it looks more like salmon, but it's actually pinkish. Everything has been changed. Guys, look at that. Is there actually any women watching this and liking this? Please let me know. Honestly, I have to say, it looks crazy, but I don't know. I don't think someone will buy this. Anyways, guys, sound has been modified with this. Let's hear it. Windows down. Let me just turn off the engine, and then 3, 2, 1. Ay, 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 ay. Papi. Are you ready to hear the sound? 3, 2, 1. Listen. The sound is pretty good, honestly. V8 here, Brabus additional exhaust mounted. The exhaust is not painted in peach. I can say, I actually saw it already. It's not peach. But I think if it would be peach, it would sound different. If you then would start doing a sound check, it would sing, "I'm a Barbie girl." Enough, let's jump outside and listen to the sound. Okay, now we will be hearing the sound of this Brabus Range Rover, 600 horsepower, modified exhaust, 3 to 1. Listen to this. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, that's it from the sound. How do you guys like it? Rated from 1 to 10. Honestly, when talking about this car, if Barbie and Ken would drive a Brabus, it would be this here. How do you guys like it? Do you actually like it? To me, it's just quite a unique car, but I don't see anyone driving it. So already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.